cosmics, because it's invisible. Yeah, you're not seeing nature when it knows you're there. Iconic, not ironic, to the invisible nature, because it has so much for itself. It's natured, the poem that knows its own it, intellectual truths of it. Don't you know, I was Shakespeare in school, and now I'm not, because I am not cosmics, yeah, but it is invisible that I get likes. So if you could follow, it would be great for my life, innit? Have a good evening, because I is invisible now, yeah. Have a good night and a good morning, and enjoy your life to as much as it's full. Beach tracks, because the project is wild.